Hey, good morning. Thanks for stopping by. I don't know if you can relate, but for me, mornings used to feel really rushed and very hectic. But lately I've made a few changes that have really helped. So one of the biggest things that helps me with morning times is preparing the night before. So as much as I can, I have everything ready the night before. That includes kids' lunches, anything kids need to have done and ready for school, anything that we need ready for the next day, clothes laid out, I know what I'm gonna make for breakfast. I have as much as I can just ready to go the night before. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is, and I didn't want to hear it either, but just getting up a little bit earlier. It really does help. The rest of the day goes better when you have some extra time in the morning. And my next tip is one that makes that tip possible, and that is create a nice, comforting ritual, something that you look forward to in the morning that will help get you out of bed. So for me, that's making a cup of tea. So I've lately really been enjoying fresh ginger root tea. It's kind of spicy, it's very warming. It's just something really nice to look forward to. It has great digestive system benefits. So that's what I've been making in the morning lately, and it does really help just give me that little extra reason to get out of bed, because I know something warm and comforting is just around the corner. Hi, good morning. Next, I try to make sure that what we're having for breakfast is easy and nourishing, even if that means we find a couple things that we like and just rotate through them, and we don't try for a ton of variety. We stick to a few things that everybody likes that's quick and easy to make. So lately for us, we have been doing scrambled eggs, sourdough toast with butter, and sausages. And a part of a nourishing breakfast for us always includes some probiotic food of some kind. So we will oftentimes for breakfast do sauerkraut or milk kefir. This morning we're going to have milk kefir. I just know that setting up for the day with things that have plenty of fat, protein, and probiotics is really, really helpful, because it seems like what you eat in the beginning of the day kind of sets up your energy and your tastes for the rest of the day. So avoiding a lot of sweet stuff first thing in the morning and going towards those good, helpful probiotic tart flavors and protein and fat is just really great for setting us up for the day. Thanks for coming along with me in this morning routine. I hope that you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment and let me know, what are your tips for a successful morning, and what are some things that you always like to do to set your day up well? I'd love to hear. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.